How to use dictionaries, thesaurus, and encyclopedias to enhance your study skills. Do you know that dictionaries help you to build vocabulary? Yes. Dictionaries not only help you to know the meaning of word, but also it immensely helps you to build vocabulary and know the proper spellings of words. For Learner's Dictionary, you can use Oxford Learner's Dictionary or Oxford Advanced Learner's Dictionary. It provides not only synonyms but also collocations. What is meant by collocation? It is the habitual juxtaposition of a particular word or familiar grouping of words with another word or words. For example, strong tea, heavy drinker, and dead serious are typical English collocations. It is of no doubt dictionaries also help you to find phrasal verbs and idioms, word lists, pronunciation, and guided activities to improve your writing. The Oxford Learner's Dictionary of Academic English is useful for students as the meanings of words vary for each subject or has different meaning when used technically. For example, this dictionary defines the meaning for the word significance differently in the context of statistics. As you all know, the meaning for the word significance is importance, but in the context of statistics, it is defined as the extent to which a result is different from what would be expected from random variation or errors. If required, you can use subject labels to help you skip quickly to the meaning that fits your context. Thus, it helps you to be more technical than grasping general meaning. What is a thesaurus? A thesaurus is a type of dictionary in which words with similar meanings are arranged in groups. It provides a list of synonyms. It means exactly or nearly the same as another word or phrase. How to use thesaurus? See, for example, look is a synonym of the word watch. A thesaurus gives you similar meanings like examine, observe, stare, glimpse, and peek, and so on. It is also handy in finding opposite words. When you write reports or articles, thesaurus will help you to avoid repeated use of a word. You will also get into the habit of using the most appropriate word for what you wish to express. What is encyclopedia? It is a book or set of books in which facts about many different subjects or about one particular subject are arranged for reference. It is usually in alphabetical order so that it is easy for you to search. It provides summaries of knowledge either from all branches or from a particular field or discipline. Here comes the question: what is the difference between encyclopedia and dictionary? In encyclopedia, entries are longer and more detailed than those in most dictionaries. Some modern encyclopedias, such as Wikipedia, are electronic and are often freely available. How to use encyclopedia if you are doing research? Encyclopedia is not only a time saver, but it is also highly recommended if you wanted to do assignment or project. Encyclopedias are catalogs of topics. Most encyclopedias are short and it saves your time. Subject experts have condensed it down, usually to 1 or 2 pages for the book that contains 900 pages. Encyclopedia also defines search terms which you can search easily. Online encyclopedias have hyperlinks to later subjects, and that is why it is like the central nervous system. The connections are extensive, encompassing all knowledge. It also gives you a list of references for further reading. Thus, by using dictionaries, thesaurus, and encyclopedias, you can definitely enhance your study skills. Thank you.